Lesson: Defining Design Options. Defining design options is a critical aspect of the requirements analysis and design definition process within the Certified Business Analysis Professional Framework. This process involves identifying, exploring, and evaluating various choices that an organization can adopt to meet business objectives and solve specific problems. The role of a business analyst is pivotal in this context, as they are tasked with ensuring that the design options align with stakeholders' needs while optimizing resources and maximizing value. Effective definition of design options requires a blend of analytical skills, creativity, and knowledge of practical tools and frameworks. A fundamental step in defining design options is understanding the problem space thoroughly. This involves gathering and analyzing requirements meticulously to ensure that the problem is well defined and the business needs are clearly articulated. Techniques such as interviews, surveys, and workshops are instrumental in eliciting requirements from stakeholders. Once the problem is well understood, the next step is to explore potential solutions. Here, brainstorming sessions can be invaluable as they encourage stakeholders to think creatively and explore a wide range of possibilities without immediate judgment or bias. This approach fosters innovation and can lead to the identification of unconventional yet effective design options. One of the practical tools frequently employed in defining design options is the SWOT analysis, which assesses the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats associated with each potential design option. This framework helps in systematically evaluating the internal and external factors that could impact the feasibility and success of a design option. For instance, when considering a new software system, strengths might include enhanced functionality and user experience, while weaknesses could involve high implementation costs. Opportunities might encompass market expansion, whereas threats could involve competitive responses or technological obsolescence. By applying SWOT analysis, business analysts can prioritize design options that leverage strengths and opportunities while mitigating weaknesses and threats. Another essential framework is the cost-benefit analysis, which quantifies the financial implications of each design option. This involves calculating the expected costs and benefits associated with implementing a particular solution and comparing them to determine the overall value. CBA is particularly useful in scenarios where budget constraints are a significant concern, as it provides a clear picture of the return on investment for each option. For example, if an organization is considering two design options, upgrading an existing system or developing a new one, a CBA can help determine which option offers the best financial outcome relative to the resources expended. In addition to these frameworks, decision matrices are widely used to evaluate design options against multiple criteria. This tool allows business analysts to systematically compare the pros and cons of each option based on predefined criteria such as cost, time, risk, and alignment with strategic goals. By assigning weights to each criterion and scoring each option accordingly, decision matrices facilitate an objective comparison and help in selecting the most suitable design option. For example, when selecting a vendor for a new project, criteria might include quality of service, reputation, cost, and flexibility. By evaluating each vendor against these criteria, the organization can make a well-informed choice. Case studies from various industries illustrate the effectiveness of these tools and frameworks in defining design options. Consider a telecommunications company facing declining customer satisfaction due to outdated infrastructure. The company employed a combination of SWOT analysis, CBA, and decision matrices to evaluate options, including upgrading existing infrastructure, partnering with third-party service providers, or investing in cutting-edge technology. By systematically assessing the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of each option, conducting a cost-benefit analysis, and comparing options using decision matrices, the company successfully identified a hybrid solution that improved customer satisfaction while optimizing costs. Statistics further underscore the importance of defining design options effectively. According to a study by the Project Management Institute, Organizations that excel in defining and analyzing design options are 2.5 times more likely to successfully complete projects on time and within budget compared to those that do not prioritize this process. This highlights the critical role that a structured approach to design option definition plays in achieving project success and delivering value to stakeholders. To implement these strategies effectively, business analysts must develop a set of competencies that include analytical thinking, problem solving, and stakeholder engagement. Analytical thinking enables analysts to break down complex problems into manageable components and evaluate the implications of different design options. Problem-solving skills are essential for identifying innovative solutions that address business needs effectively. Engaging stakeholders throughout the process ensures that their insights and feedback are incorporated, leading to design options that are both feasible and aligned with business objectives. Continuous learning and professional development are also crucial for business analysts seeking to enhance their proficiency in defining design options. Staying abreast of industry trends, emerging technologies, and best practices enables analysts to apply the most relevant and effective tools and frameworks in their work. Professional certifications, such as CBAP, provide a structured pathway for acquiring and demonstrating these competencies, supporting career advancement and professional recognition. In conclusion, defining design options is a multifaceted process that requires a strategic approach, practical tools, and active stakeholder engagement. By employing frameworks such as SWOT analysis, cost-benefit analysis, and decision matrices, business analysts can systematically evaluate and prioritize design options that align with business objectives and deliver maximum value. Case studies and statistics underscore the effectiveness of these approaches in real-world scenarios, highlighting the importance of this process in achieving project success. As business environments continue to evolve, the ability to define and evaluate design options effectively will remain a critical skill for business analysts, driving innovation and competitive advantage.